We're following Willafreda's cookbook for this one. Wait till you see what we put in it. Does it make a difference what kind of coconut we use? Yeah, you want the moist kind. It's moist. See? I bet it sticks together better. This is such a neat way to make the crust. Make sure you really grease the pan before pressing it in there. And set this aside while we make the filling. We did it! We're free! Oh, this is the most fun I've had since that time Jeannie turned the oven into a bouncy house. Space is ours to conquer again. No alien clowns to... Hey. Uh-oh, where's your ship? Take 1.5 cups of brown sugar and 6 tablespoons of flour. Whisk those together. This is one of the ways to keep the flour from lumping up when you add in the liquid. We'll do that in a little bit. Now, in your favorite saucepan, add in a can of evaporated milk. It says shake well. 3/4 cup of strong coffee. Gotta be strong so you can shake. 10 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Melt them all together on low heat until it starts steaming, right around 125 degrees. Oh, they won't get far. I've got Chelsea's precious little spaceship. I'm gonna catch them and make them play with me. Ha. Hey, what's this? Oh, I'm pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh. This is called tempering. It's where we bring up the temperature of the egg mixture without making scrambled eggs. You slowly drizzle it in, then pour it back into the saucepan. Cook this for 3 to 5 minutes longer. We're ensuring the flour taste gets cooked out and the flavors mingle all at the party. And now for the Willafreda special flavor. Coffee liqueur adds a little zing to that zang in the fudge. Ha! Just right here, Willafreda's cookbook. Then second guess your pan choice, the one with the holes on the side that make extra crispy crust. Change that out to a pie plate. Use the remaining coconut to stack up around the rim for a fancy topping. And bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Tin it with foil in case the coconut starts turning too brown. I'm so pretty. Looking pretty good, Bungledorf. Look at that. Still gorgeous. Bungledorf. It'll jiggle in the middle. Nope, that's too much. There you go. See how the middle jingles? And here, after 5 minutes on the counter, you can touch it. It's kind of dry and you can feel it thickening up. Chill it in the refrigerator overnight and serve it with whipped cream. And we left a recipe in the description along with everything else. All right.